Thank you, Delaney. Dozens of Michigan physicians and community members rallied together in Lansing, protesting against what they say are dangerous Medicaid changes in President Trump's big, beautiful bill. The Senate is planning to vote on the bill this weekend. Taryn Simmons was at the rally where she spoke to health officials about their concerns.
Supporters of the big, beautiful bill say it will lower tax rates, keeping more money in Americans' pockets. But the physicians I spoke to today say the bill does more harm than good.
We anticipate that there are potentially 500,000 Michiganders who will lose their insurance if these Medicaid cuts go through.
As a physician, Dr. Christine Crater was one of dozens of healthcare providers warning community members of the impacts Medicaid cuts could bring.
The support that they get through Medicaid is allowing them to be at home with loved ones or get excellent care in a nursing facility.
Crater handles patients who are near the end of their lives, as well as disabled patients. She fears the cuts could impact health clinics, especially in rural areas.
Hospitals are at risk of closing. They are at risk of losing the ability to provide basic care for patients and their families.
Everyone from being here.
Dr. Robert Davidson is a physician in West Michigan and says patients could struggle to find adequate care if the cuts are approved.
Hospitals are going to be decimated. There's 14 hospitals that are at risk of closing if these cuts go through. People are going to have to go hours if they're having chest pain or if they're having symptoms of a stroke.
The bill has stricter requirements in order for people to qualify for the program. Those in support argue that the proposed changes will actually strengthen Medicaid by taking out fraud, waste, and those who no longer qualify. Dr. Crater says Medicaid cuts will not only impact patients, but their families as well.
It's not just Medicaid patients who are impacted, it impacts the entire community, state, and our country.
Here for you in Lansing, Taryn Simmons, 6 News.